You phony!
Man, you can't prove nothing.
Hey, Jeffrey, you a buster. Straight bitch. You stabbed me and my brother in the back.
Man, I'm an artiste. We all make mistakes. Ain't that right, Alki?
You ain't no artist. You's a buster. You's a fake.
Man, I was gonna give you credit on the next album. Man, royalties? Take that. I got more
bitch,
too.
I should smack the dog shit out your ass.
Just don't
Break
hit
your
me.
face right here,
you
motherfucker.
phony! Mr. Dog, Jimmy Silverman, Blastin' Fools Records.
Hold up, I'm the manager. You want to talk? Talk to me.
Oh, okay. Pleasure, gentlemen. Let's talk,
I'll
all right?
bust your ass.
I need hits. I mean hits. Now what about this guy? This, phony? I've got a good mind to sue his ass into next year.
Man, get off me, you drunk.
Hey, Lo, go get us some lunch.
You get lunch.
Excuse me, gangster. I don't think so.
Man, get out of here. Don't be pushing me. Don't be pushing me.
Child was the most miraculous thing I've ever experienced. When Ken and I left the hospital, I was glowing. But after a few months, the novelty wore off. The screaming, the diapers, blah. Let's face it, nobody has time to raise a kid.
I realized after my third child, I hated kids. It's not like you can legally kill them anymore. We're at our wits' end.
I'm miserable. Raising children has cut into my life of doing shop, taking exercise classes, and sleeping with my husband's friends. What do I do?
You need a nanny! All parents need a helping hand now and then, sometimes full-time. At Hampshire Nannies Limited, all of our nannies were trained by professionals. In England, your little darlings are our priority. If they act up,